Welcome to Vridhi Finance. We are presenting GMP analysis for Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited IPO. Dear viewers and investors, we are doing only GMP analysis nowadays. Yes, absolutely, and you will see big, there is nothing like anything which we are doing right now. Great thing, but very soonly we will came back with the remarkable approach on IPO detail is not available, but the company portfolio is available during the companies which got listed during up to July 2023, guys. So right now we are just doing this announcement. Very soonly we will put some benchmark basically, but we put some videos on the companies. We will not put as an IPO detail, but we will review those companies who's got listed either from the main board of SME, sorry, not SME, it's a BSc or NSC, as well as we will give it to you detail about the companies from the SME sector very soonly. And yes, absolutely, we will have one of the video which is a top pickup of the year, means this is the half of the year, so top pickup of which is from the SME sector we will catch up and we will make a video on that and we will release it very soonly. Wait and watch, this is a surprise, and all those surprises is not surprises like anything, but yes, we have not got anything as a subscriber, means what we expected in recent days from all of our viewers, but unfortunately it wouldn't happening. So that's the reason we are literally demotivated. Yeah, I believe it, people follow us for the Nasdaq equity analysis too, but those Nasdaq analysis equities will be available probably in the month of August. Not at all, I don't know. It will be on the August, but we can say first Sunday of see, if we do top pick up 30 equities from the Nasdaq even, so it will take literally long amount of time to study, work out and release it. If you are equity, if you want to invest it, see, in India there are number of companies, we can say banks or something like that, who gives international equities to invest into the international market. Yes, BSc is the Indian market, but if you goes and check out, there is a course available to invest in like Tesla, like Amazon, like Apple, Microsoft, etc. So see, each analysis given by us needs some sort of facts. So that's the reason we are delaying, because we see hardly one or two subscribers which usually frequently sign subscribers and then private, probably they do not feel worth taking, or probably they buy the equity from the market which is not performing. But this is, guys, whatever we give, that is a statistic that is based on some sort of factors. It is not we are doing arbitrage into the market. It is not we are in touch with anyone who do trading and all. It is not, we are not the management of those companies who's not performing into the market. So don't blame us. This is a videos, there are thousands videos every time releases into the market, we are one of them. Yes, we give some sort of analysis. But I believe it, we have to also release few videos which companies got listed during 2022 and 2021. Why 2021, 2022 or 2023 is the current year, but 2021, 2022 is the listed into the market, where we have observed the trending analysis. Like for example, in the past we have do some sort of prediction when that companies got listed, but unfortunately I believe it, those numbers still stuck up on the same number of the equity. Means suppose someone has pick up some numbers, yeah, at this point the equities is not showing uptrend, not showing downtrend. They are showing some sort of means like here BSC is performing, NSE is performing, but that equity is not performing. Why this equities doesn't perform? What are their analysis? And why it will perform, it will not perform? Best future, what is the future after not 10 years down the line, but at least a year or at least a month we can predict it, and you can see the exit from such equities. Even if you are interested, or if you wanted to make SIP, if you wanted to reinvest into the same equity. See, why equity we talk. For example, if we see, for example, there is a one equity which is got listed for 10 rupees, or which is got listed for 150 rupees, or which is got listed 1150 rupees listing. But if that goes to 700 below, then come back to 1150, but the person who has got buy this share says 1150, and it is performing below their buying price, and they can't able to sell it. What they can't able to sell it? Suppose that company has took a lot of investment from the market, they are using in their project happen. So why this is performance is there? We will release equity analysis for the month. We will release equity analysis. See, here we will release equity, not analysis, but we will release equity details basically for next 6 month target. Okay, number one, next 6 month target. Number two, we will say is that the news about those companies. Okay, so news will flash. See, we are not doing a lot of research about the equity, but absolutely, suppose any news comes into the market, might it has got released by the owner of that company, might the researcher has got released to the market to get to understand investors choice, basically sensitivity of any investors to invest into or exit into, etc, etc. There are a number of reasons comes into the picture. Okay, so right now we are only talking about GMP analysis for Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited, IPO 2023 by Vridhi Finance. Okay, now we are talking IPO detail of Utkarsh Small Finance. So the symbol will be Utkarsh Bank BNK. Issue period is 12 July 2023 till 14 July 2023. And if you see, type of this issue is 100% book building issue. Price range literally very low, undervalue, we can say rupees 23 to 25 rupees. We can say this is like an SME IPO. No, but this is not SME IPO. and ticket size is RE1. Bid lot is 600 equity shares and multiple thereof. Minimum you have to buy 600 shares of equity. Trust me, who buy this equity 600, trust me, that company has booked a lot of profit. Even this got listing at 1 rupees extra, people will earn 600 rupees per. Okay, anyways, so IPO market timings are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and book leading managers are ICICI Securities, Kotak Mahindra Capital. Okay, and here we can see. So this is all about IPO details, guys. And yes, absolutely. Now we are going to talk about the interest which this company has received from the investor. This is the first company got invested, means like I think people will do merger with this company in the nearest future if it is really means clinch it. Okay, anyways, so clinch it in the sense you have to do research from your own ways, because if we speak out something, it is really some point of view, something is there. Okay, so qualified institutional buyers show interest around 124.85 number of totalment for the category. Apart from that, non-institutional investor 81.64 number of totalment for the category. And if you see retail individual investor show interest 72.11 number of totalment for the category, and an employee also buy this IPO, that is 16.58 number of totalment for the category. Overall, this IPO got subscription around 101.91 number of totalment for the category. I believe it. This is one of the biggest IPO has got subscribed in this whole year, who hasn't crossed 100 even, but this is the first company of the year 2023 where it has got subscribed 101.91 number of totalment for the category. That's quite surprising. So according to us, who has brought this share has double the money, triple the money into the market on the day of listing? I don't know. We will see it. Here is the prediction for GMP analysis of for Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited IPO 2023. And as this IPO is undervalue, we can say IPO pricing. So here we can think this company minimum listing gain will be minimum list on the day of listing, it should give more than 55 rupees, and suppose this goes up to maximum higher end, it can cost more than 85 rupees, maximum 85. Okay, and suppose it is breaking the record, then it can cross 150 even, and the next target is 200. Okay, so we have given here 4 targets for this IPO, and that is first target will be 55 minimum listing, maximum it can goes up to 85, 150, and it will cross 200 even, depends on the day of listing. I meant to say depends on the management, not from the management of Utkarsh Small Finance Bank Limited. Check out and let us know whether this company will give it to you the day of listing, what we expect from the company. Thank you, Vridhi Finance. We will come back to you very soon. Wait and watch. Yes, absolutely. We are waiting for response, comments, and subscription, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye. Good night. Happy Sunday. Enjoy your holiday within India, wherever you are watching. From where are you watching to us even? Have a great day. Bye bye. Good night, sweet.